Candesartan, also known as Atacand, is a medication used to treat high blood pressure, also known as hypertension. Lowering high blood pressure is important because it helps prevent serious health issues such as strokes, heart attacks, and kidney problems. Candesartan belongs to a class of drugs called angiotensin receptor blockers, ARBs, which work by relaxing blood vessels so that blood can flow more easily. It is also used to treat heart failure. However, it is important to note that this medication is not recommended for use in children younger than 1 year old due to the increased risk of side effects. The daily dosage of Atacand can vary depending on the individual's condition, so it is important to follow the doctor's instructions carefully. It is usually taken once a day, with or without food. It is best to take it at the same time each day to help remember. If you miss a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it is near the time of the next dose, skip the missed dose and resume your usual dosing schedule. Do not double the dose to catch up. It is important to take Atacand regularly to get the most benefit from it. It is important to consult a doctor for the exact dosage and timing of Atacand for your specific condition. Always follow the doctor's instructions carefully and do not stop taking the medication without consulting them first. Before you start taking Atacand, make sure to read the patient information leaflet from your pharmacist. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your doctor or pharmacist. You can take Atacand by mouth with or without food, as directed by your doctor, usually once or twice daily. The dosage will depend on your medical condition and how you respond to the treatment. For children, the dosage is also based on their weight. To get the most benefit from Atacand, use it regularly. Try to take it at the same time each day to help you remember. Even if you start feeling well, keep taking the medication. Most people with high blood pressure do not feel sick, so it's important to continue the treatment. It may take up to 6 weeks before you see the full benefit of this drug for the treatment of high blood pressure. If your condition doesn't improve or if it worsens, such as your blood pressure readings remaining high or increasing, make sure to inform your doctor. As your body gets used to Atacand, you may experience dizziness, tiredness, or lightheadedness. You may also have a runny nose or sore throat. If any of these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist. To reduce the risk of dizziness and lightheadedness, get up slowly when rising from a sitting or lying position. Your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential side effects. Many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. Contact your doctor immediately if you experience fainting or symptoms of high potassium levels in the blood, such as muscle weakness or a slow/irregular heartbeat. Although Atacand may be used to prevent or treat kidney problems, it may rarely cause serious kidney problems or make existing problems worse. Your doctor will monitor your kidney function while you are taking Atacand. Notify your doctor immediately if you notice any signs of kidney problems, such as a change in the amount of urine. A serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, but seek medical help immediately if you experience symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice other effects, contact your doctor or pharmacist. In the U.S., call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You may report side effects to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You may report side effects to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. If you're pregnant, planning to become pregnant, or think you may be pregnant, it's crucial to avoid taking Atacand as it can cause serious harm to an unborn baby. Before starting this medication, consult your doctor about using reliable forms of birth control to prevent pregnancy. If you do become pregnant while on Atacand, inform your doctor immediately. Before taking Atacand, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist of any allergies you may have. This medication may contain inactive ingredients that could cause allergic reactions. It's important to discuss any potential allergies with your pharmacist. Additionally, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist of your medical history, especially if you have liver disease, high levels of potassium in your blood, or if you are prone to dehydration. Atacand may cause dizziness, and using alcohol or marijuana can increase this effect. It's important to avoid driving or using machinery until you know how this medication affects you. Also, be sure to limit alcoholic beverages and consult your doctor if you are using marijuana. If you experience excessive sweating, diarrhea, or vomiting, it may cause lightheadedness. It's important to report prolonged diarrhea or vomiting to your doctor. This medication may increase your potassium levels, so it's important to consult your doctor or pharmacist before using potassium supplements or salt substitutes that contain potassium. Older adults may be more sensitive to the side effects of this medication, especially dizziness, increases in potassium level, and changes in the amount of urine. If you are pregnant or planning to become pregnant, it's important to discuss the risks and benefits of Atacand with your doctor. This medication may harm an unborn baby, so it's important to talk to your doctor right away if you become pregnant. It is unknown if this medication passes into breast milk, so be sure to consult your doctor before breastfeeding. It's important to be aware of potential interactions with other medications while taking Atacand. This can affect how well your medications work and may increase your risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's important not to start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Atacand include aliskiren, lithium, and drugs that may increase the level of potassium in the blood, such as sparsentan and ACE inhibitors. It's also important to be cautious with products that may raise your blood pressure or worsen your heart failure. This can include cough and cold products, diet aids, or NSAIDs such as ibuprofen or naproxen. Always talk to your pharmacist about the products you are using and ask how to use them safely. This will help to ensure that you get the most benefit from Atacand and avoid any potential complications. Remember to follow your doctor's instructions and take Atacand as directed for the best results. If someone has taken too much Atacand and is experiencing serious symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, it's crucial to seek immediate medical help. In the U.S., you can call 911 or contact the local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. In Canada, residents can reach out to their provincial poison control center. Symptoms of an Atacand overdose may include a fast heartbeat, severe dizziness, and fainting. It's important not to share Atacand with others. While taking Atacand, it's important to have lab and/or medical tests done, such as kidney function and potassium levels. Make sure to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. Lifestyle changes, such as stress reduction programs, exercise, and dietary changes, may help Atacand work better. Talk to your doctor or pharmacist about lifestyle changes that might benefit you. It's important to have your blood pressure checked regularly while taking Atacand. You can also learn how to monitor your own blood pressure at home and share the results with your doctor. If you forget to take a dose, take it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, just skip the missed one and take the next dose at your regular time. Don't take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to store Atacand at room temperature, away from light and moisture, but not in the bathroom. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush Atacand down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When Atacand is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly discard it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.